Yes, we are back. So guys, this is now our tutorial starting right away. You can see this is OKX account, and I have small asset on my account. So I'll be using that to show you how you'll be entering your trade and how you'll be exiting your trade, and all technical analysis you need to understand about OKX market and how to the movement of charts and graph, so that you know which way to take next and just understand on how the market will be going. I'll be opening trade here. This is where I'll be finding futures trading, and I'm going to trade futures right away. Open futures trading. This Bitcoin graph, 15-minute time frame chart here, and you can see it is hitting almost its support. This is the more. Let me move change this first to X. You can see this graph, it's hitting more of its support. So the more expectation about this, that in within 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, the chart will be bouncing back up to some place here. We are expecting from this side here at least a bounce back of minimum of 1.87%, and it will happen. That's be sure. So if you can enter the market right here right away, you are probably making 1% of your initial income. But remember, you can use the leverage you want. If you use more than 10x, then you are making almost around 13%. There's people who go viral even making around 50x. So I'm just checking for the coin I want to trade. I think I could be going for Doge, and right now Doge is 2% down in 24 hours. 24 hours. So let me open Doge. Many charts are probably at otherwise or Doge. many charts are at its support level. Many coins are driven by BTC. So when the BTC goes up, most coin will go up, and if BTC drops, many coin will be dropping. So if you are new beginner in the crypto space, the easy thing you can do, just check for crypto for BTC movement, and you'll be knowing every step the market will take instead of analyzing so many coins, because you find it somehow difficult to analyze there are more than 10,000 coins in the market, so you can find it very difficult to analyze all of those coins. So you can just use BTC to analyze any chart. When the BTC bounce back, the more the market bounce up, all coins probably goes up. So this is a 15-minute time frame chart, and you can see the chart is just at its support, because the chart hit this side, resisted back again up, then it came down, resisted, hit the support level, then resisted back up, and the chart also hit the same level. So the chart is probably bouncing up again. So you can just enter the trade very easy. So I'll be coming down here. We need to understand which at what price will be jumping in the market. So for me, I think I just jump in direct from the market, and I study how everything will just be going. So I just buy at the market level of a certain. I just be longing that my trade buy long. Yeah, I go with market level total. I need to transfer first. Let me transfer. Let me transfer. USDT. Very good balance. I think I can just convert first. Let me trade first in BTC, because BTC I think holds some amount. I can just trade direct, or I can just let me just transfer. Let me just convert direct. Why is convert? We go to overview first, then I trace how I'll be converting. Hey guys, you see gonna convert feature here? Yeah. Let me convert here. I'll be converting BTC to USDT. Let me convert how much? Receive 10. And convert 10 of them. Or I convert maximum. But yeah. No. Let me convert at least. Only convert 8 of them, then the other I use to trade it later. Eight plus the other I have at least 3. I'll jump market in with 10 USDT. Like that, I go back and I'm on the same display. Go back again, like that. Doge pegged USD. And all of them. Why is it pegged with USDC? Whoa, 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 whoa. Symbol of USDC. I don't hold the USDC, so I'm holding USDT. But let me try. 75%. Transfer USDC. Let me go back again to see why is it not reflecting that the asset have converted. The asset I've converted is not reflecting. Let me just check. Transfer history, legacy funding to trading. From funding to trading. Successful. Just around 6 minutes ago. Let me reload the chart. Trading account, how many do I have? I have 8.3. So I need to transfer from trading to futures. Because see, this is the trading asset I got. So I need to transfer it from trading to futures. Funding to trading. Let me see. No. Funding to trading. Trading, I have 7. Funding, I have 3. So let me do this. Funding, I have 3. Trading, I have 4. Trading. news. Batman. Like that. Let me check again back. Trading. What do I have? 8.3. Let me go back again to the graph. Let's go in with the Doge. I think I just use another trading account. Everybody who is watching, please leave a like and also subscribe to this channel because I'll be uploading and going every time, teaching you everything you need to understand about your trading. So remember to give a like and subscribe to the channel. I think this for now got some, I don't know which issue. So I can jump in from to my other account. Let me try KuCoin. Huh? Yeah, because still all of this I got something to trade. Let me go for KuCoin. KuCoin login. Yeah, like that. Let me log in. I just log in with my phone like that, and I authorized. I've already logged in.